Imagine yourself in this 2005 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 180 horsepower, 2 doors, 3.4-liter V6 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights, dust sensing headlights, front air conditioning zones, dual and front seat type, bucket. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.